Close the door, close the door. Uh, yeah. Playing games with we, man, you must be a bad man. Nigga try to play a game, man, that brain gonna be a bad thing, cause it's just something that don't really do it. Nigga play a game, got the police even suing, and the cops trying to call on me like I'm a bitch. Nigga try to play me, I'ma run off in your shit that you really know. The John ain't gonna play no, and no more the game. I'ma let this bitch go, hit you in your mouth, knock your ass out. Now you know the real, the Jordan from the south, and I'm thugged out. Oh my man, nigga playing games, no youngster, you ain't got no game. Nigga try to play me like a some real. Nigga playing game, nigga watch you get killed. Nigga I'm the dog, and I'm the fucking real truth. A bit of crazy, so spreading out through the roof, swagger through the tooth, and you know it's the truth. You I'm the brother right here, and we the truth. We be thugging hard all the time. Nigga playing games, nigga y'all start two in the ride. Nigga just real quick, what I'm bringing. Nigga playing games, you like games, banging. Now you really know that it's too real to be true. Nigga playing games, say me, no fuck you. Nigga got that money so high, it's so quick. Nigga playing games, he ain't bounce that shit. Nigga trying to talk like he really mean. What you